Hello and welcome to my very first unboxing video and possibly the last unboxing video I ever do. And you might wonder, why am I even doing an unboxing video? I don't know. There's probably been thousands of unboxing videos on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo, but I just feel like doing one because I've never done one. But I messed up from the very beginning, and the very first thing I could have done wrong is I took off the plastic before I started recording. Well, there goes the plastic, okay? It's out of the way. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3, quite possibly my most anticipated, possibly my most anticipated purchase, that's hard to say, that I've made in a very long time. Why is it so anticipated? Well, this is a neat camera. I think everybody else makes it look really neat. I'll probably make it look bad with my background that's got a yellow stain on it and bad lighting and bad audio. I don't know. I can make it look bad if I want. Anyway, I ordered this on November 10th, 2023. I received it yesterday, December 5th, I think it was, 6th. Anyway, almost a month later, I waited and waited and waited for this moment. And I guess the anticipation just makes things more exciting. I don't know, but we're gonna open it up. If I can figure out how to open it up. And hey, take a look at it. First thing you get in the package, silica gel. Okay. Second, you know what? If I actually knew how to do unboxing videos, I would have pre-planned this. And I would have realized, you know, you've got plastic stuff to take off. You've got papers to take out. Look, you get papers in the box. Like a whole card deck worth of papers. I don't care. Okay, box. Oh, there's something else. I feel it. Let's put that there so we can see the beautiful box. What else do we have? We have, look, an empty slot. Nothing in it. But we've got some long thing. Okay, nothing else in the box. That can go away. Plastic wrap. See, should have planned ahead and gotten all this stuff out of here. You get out of there. More papers. It's a protective cover. There we go. We got the protective cover. You all knew it came with a protective cover. We don't care. Look, more plastic wrap. Now we're getting to the meat and potatoes. We got, what does this tag even say? It says things in 8 languages that I can't understand. I don't care what the tag says. Let's see this glorious, fantastic. I hear angels singing. I hear a choir. There's the camera. There it is. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Oh, isn't it? It's so tiny. I'm really shocked how tiny it is. Okay, well, look, we got the camera. We got stuff in a bag. That's great. Everybody wants to do the first thing. Screen protector gone. And I've heard that you just flip this and it turns on. Majestic. Look at that. Look at that. No pre-setup, no nothing. I don't know what to do here. But since it's an unboxing video, let's finish the box. I'm gonna turn it off. Goodbye. That's hard to do because I just want to like take it out and record stuff. It's so tiny. Look. It's so tiny. It's cute. So what else we got? We got more stuff wrapped in plastic. Another thing wrapped in plastic. Everything's wrapped in plastic. We got more silica gel. You're not supposed to eat this stuff. Look, everything wrapped in plastic except, oh, look. The DJI Mic 2. I'm looking forward to using this. I actually have the original DJI mic, and I love them. I love them. Look how tiny that is. USB cables. Not as if I don't have a million of those. What else we got? Pulling everything out of here. Nothing else. Okay, that can go away. We have something magnetic. That's magnetic, sticking to each other. I'm so frustrated that all this stuff is wrapped in plastic. What do I want? I want the battery thing. I know this is the battery thing. Yeah, battery thing. And how intuitive is it? Oh, it clicks right on. Green light comes on. 63% battery. Beautiful. Well, I'll put that down. Let's build something. It's like Legos, but like really expensive Legos, and even better than Legos, because Legos can't record videos. Tripod. Yes. I love it. Okay. This is so disorganized because I didn't, like I said, I didn't plant a thing, and it's just a messy mess. Don't need the USB cable, that can go away. Mic, great. Oh, you know what I need? I need the windscreen for the mic. Lanyard, won't use it. Plastic, go away. This is a nice change. I like the screen on this. It's different than the original DJI mic. It just pops in there. Don't have to fiddle trying to screw it on. It's bigger though, and it's fluffy in it. They call them dead cats, but it kind of looks like a bunny tail. Soft like a bunny tail. Makes me want to go buy a rabbit. See what else we get here. This is the worst thing about a poorly done unboxing video is all the plastic. Okay, this is not a battery. This is just tripod mount. Seems really weird to not just have a tripod thing mount pod on the camera itself, but so be it. All right, this is the magnetic baby. I don't know why I call it a baby. Yeah, look at that. Look at that being all magnetic-y. And that's so you can mount this on your shirt if you want, or maybe your refrigerator. I don't know. Mount it somewhere. And last but not least, we got some kind of filter thing that's hard to open. Oh yeah, the infamous wide angle lens. Okay, the wide angle lens. I'm not going to put that on the camera right now, but it has a little home. I don't even know how this is supposed to work. No? It doesn't snap in here. It's not a Black Pro Mist. That annoys me that the Black Pro Mist doesn't come with it. Just a money-grubbing, hungry... Oh, you know why the wide angle thing? Oh, just got a fingerprint. Oh, it sticks to it. It's magnetic. Got it. Figured out. But I already got a fingerprint on it. That's going to be a problem. Look at that. Oh. There you go. There you have it. There we are. There we are wanting to do setup in English or Japanese or Chinese, or I don't even know what languages these are. I guess I got to go set it up. So this is the unboxing video. It's out of the box officially. And I'm just excited to use this. Bye.